You see, night, yeah? Me heart full. When me tell a man say me heart full, me heart well full. Me heart well full. Serious full. Me heart full. Because me no see why and in a God heaven or earth. And Joelness come out already and tell we say him a give it time till such and such time. If half a population or quarter a population a garden dance or a garden party, you don't allow people make them garden dance or them party. You don't allow people make them kill themselves if I kill them want to kill themselves. You allow people to do what they want to do. No, you not choose to do that. You choose to stop somebody like my bread. You choose to stop street side hustler bread. You choose to stop people bread where decide to go out in a even holiday time then to go make a food. You understand? Me say me well cross. Because you see, based on how curfew hours go now, years me sit down and wait. I found God knows when where you call it COVID come. And then just I use this COVID something as a little box and ball. Something. You understand? And now COVID no there no way. I just rule, they want to rule people and bully ride people. Me say me done with Labour Party, and when me tell a man say me done with Labour Party, and a brave food fire me a put on Labour Party. Me done with Labour Party because me don't like people stop me bread. And Andrew Wallace and him party keeper and stop me bread. 7 days a week them a go stop me bread. Cause me make me plan to go road go hustle in a the holiday yeah, and I stop them and stop me bread. You understand? And me well cross tonight, that's all me food. When me look by me bread food and me roast finiam for me dinner, me don't want them finiam because me well upset. Me well upset because when me come up in a car chunk a while ago, I hear the IRFM news and me say to the driver, say turn it up. And me hear the woman chip in and I say, curfew time change to whatever time. Oh, curfew time for change. Look how much people over Jamaica make them plans. You don't do those things. People make them plans for have their function. For me no business with function people. Me a talk about hustler because me a hustler. And right now I burn me a bonfire for Labour Party. And me tell a man say, no powers in heaven or earth can't get me to vote back for Labour Party. And me a biggest Labour right because me declare say, me the biggest Labour right more than Joelness. Me not vote for them because I'm going to rich man them put first. We have cards to go put in a machine and draw money. Me not have money in a bank. He all of my money go upon this. Me not have money in a bank. I also me have to build up my house because me not have money in a bank. You understand? And me want to go road to go hustle. And this man come, look how long me have to sit down in a house. And I obey them about ton of your yard. And as the man give little freedom, for say people can go make a little bread now. Him come, him and his wife band see a month. No better herring, no better barrel. He two of them, none did have to tell the other say you're wrong. Alright, load them then who want they dead. Lie them and tell about people are dead from COVID. When 90 a day old, 100 a day old people forget COVID from. Me say me cross. Me angry and me well miserable. Me disappointed in my party and me disappointed in the leadership of the party. Because them don't think things through. Them just come like some big backramasa and them just come with them big stick and them just come to mash up people's life and oppress poor people. I bet to say them have their money for buy them big fish and them big ham and them big steak for put in them house. And people for God figure hustle for put a food on them table. Them can't get for God go hustle. Me say me cross. When me tell a man say me no want the food for me ham tonight. And me say me no muscle it for see a morning. Because what? Me plan out my life, me count out my money already and me no make it. Cause me say me a go road go hustle and me know when me go hustle in a holiday when me a go make. Me all order me goods them. Order me goods them for go collect a town Wednesday. Pay for me goods them for go collect. Me want to shoes them. And Joel say go give me back me 60,000. No, him not go give me back. So me have to go sit down a yard with them there. Cause holiday time they said, and me have more than 200 pair of boots in my house. And when they me put up one video with them, me amount of water shoes that me have, and the water shoes that we sell. Me say me well upset. Me say me well upset in the leadership of my party. Me a no Labourite again. And me no want nobody see me and call me Labourite, mummy. And every morning bumpy a pass me gate. Labourite, mummy. Me no want nobody call me Labourite. Because Labourite has stopped me bread for long now. Long, them must stop me bread for. I'm tired of them now. Cause me not stop nobody bread. And me no want nobody stop my bread. Because if I never politics, more than my job I get my monthly pay. But a political appointed people then come push me out of my work. Come bad mind me out of my work, although that never that benefit me. Cause hustling benefit. Right? And them make say, oh, politics. Politics are dirty something. None no better, neither learn or pay. None of them no better. I mean, I'm here tonight, I'm here cuss them. Cause me no like people stop me bread. And them a stop me bread. Me want to have my money if you can't spend. Me want to go price smart like them too. Me want to go pan plane like them too. Me no want Labour Party stop me bread. Cause them now go give me a job. You understand? I mean I walk, go look no work. I mean I walk with in no institution with them bad mind people. Me we go road go hustle my own. When you put curfew time at them time, you know, buy people if you come out to buy 1 2 sheep, 2 piece of curtain, 1 sheet, maybe 1 2 cushion, anything when me that roadside I sell, them a go run good on a wholesale, run good on a supermarket. Everybody a run for me case go on back. How you think them a do a grab food and go? Don't stop me bread, man. Me not stop your bread. Me not stop nobody bread. Me not rob people. Me not want nobody stop me bread. Me tired of Labour Party. Me tired of them because nobody not think for them. Them just get up and think and do what them feel for do. And fi mash up people life. Who want catch COVID, make them catch it. Who want go party one night, go fast and go on. It's a minority. Me not go party. Minority. Right? Make them go and go do them thing and who want they dead. See bike man a dead off a bike there. See bike man a top right hard. Left them triangle, them bangle. You come and mash up good people like Seika people when are careless a road. Why you do that for? You mash up good people like Seika careless people. Me no rate that. Labour Party, me no rate that and me done with you no. I don't me a tell you no.